All right, this is team
36830D.
and the code is SOAR 0328.
And then you're gonna zoom in so they can see that. He's gotta write it on the page, just write it on the paper at the top.
And then we'll start off with the sizing and dimension.
He's gonna show you that it's 18 inches, just zoom in.
The sizing tool is 18 inches by 18 inches right there, just like that.
Okay. And if you'll do the thing over for us.
It can be finicky.
One more time. Pull it back off the table, like should this right on. You can start. Hold on. There you go. Okay, other way. Okay.
Robot fits within the 18 by 18 by 18 size dimension.
Do you only have one robot?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have your identification tape on both sides?
Yes.
IDs on both sides? Do you have any components that will intentionally detach on the playing field?
No.
Do you have any components that could entangle or damage objects on the playing field or
No.
other robots?
No.
Do you have any sharp corners or edges that looks?
No, everything is sanded wrong.
Everything looks sanded down, looks good to me. All right, is your robot brain accessible without moving or lifting the robot?
Yes.
Good. Did you design, build, test, and program this with some of the people on your team? Okay, do you have all components that are either official VEX or identical to official VEX sold at the vexrobotics.com?
Yes.
Including your rope, cable protection, or anything else?
Nothing like that.
Okay. Do you have any VEX products not intended to be used as a robot component or VEX packaging?
No, and we have no decorations on the robot.
Okay, so there are no decorations, functional or non-functional. Do you have any components that don't meet inspection criteria or functions? You do not. You don't have any plastic on here. If you'll zoom in just a little bit more, he's got a robot brain right here. He needs to go get a robot battery. Wireless communication system right here. Do you have any VEX Explorer Pro, RCR, IQ, or Hexbug?
No, everything is.
Okay. Do you have any 2-wire motors?
No.
Yeah, just attached his battery. Do you have more than one controller?
No.
Do you have any electrical components that have been modified from their original state?
No.
Okay. Do you have any method of attachment not provided by did you use a method of attachment like welding or gluing? Or anything else? Do you have any pneumatic reservoirs?
No.
Do you have any components from the beta program?
No.
Any custom cables?
No.
Vision sensor?
No.
Are you updated to the most
Yes.
updated firmware? Okay, and then show us your motors.
We have 1, 2, 3, 4 drive motors. 1, 2 motors here, and then 1, 2 motors here. 4 plus 2 plus 2 is 8 motors.
So show us your bait. You see there are 2 right here. Can you zoom into that, Joe? There's 2 here and then 2 here on that side. Okay. All right, he's gonna do his match controller for us real quick. And then we'll sign off on the
Joe,
passing.
Come around to this side, Joe.
Yeah, because you need to be able to see the video on this side. And I'll be here to make sure you don't. I'm gonna pull it back. So, yeah, it can be called. Okay. All right, autonomous disabled.
Disabled, autonomous is disabled. As you can see, it cannot do anything.
Okay.
When I enable it, the code is not running.
Get the code running and then we'll go through.
All right, autonomous is disabled. enable, cannot do anything,
Okay.
disable. You can just leave it.
Yeah, 100%. Okay.
And then, driver, enable, forward, back, left, right.
All right, I say that this passes inspection. If you'll sign this piece of paper for me, and then you can go to the field, and then we'll need to set the field up because we didn't do that. All right, and okay, if you'll just, you can just kind of stand right here. All right. Just extra. Okay. And you got two over there on that one. In the middle, and I'll go get that one. I got, there's another red in somewhere. It's number 2. All right. Okay, robot to the field. Here is your preload. Let's sit it inside a hole. All right, Joe, when he puts it down, you're gonna take it. You have to show these actually like touching the side. Okay, so this ball is touching the robot. That's its preload. It's touching the wheels are touching the back wall, so they're ready for their first programming skills. Are you gonna be running stop time?
Stop time will be the X with my arms, and we'll be running programming.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Stop time.
Okay, so I have a none in the center and a 27 for programming. Are you fine with that?
Yes.
Okay, so that's a 27 in programming. I'm guessing you're gonna move to driver next.
Yes.
Okay, if you'll reset the field for me, if you'll come and show, well, you can see, there's nothing right there, but I do need to do the score sheet so you can see it. So we'll do this. This was their programming skills. Blue, 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 no red ball scored. And 12 blue ball scored, a stop time of 39. This was Team D, and it was their programming number 1 right there. Zoom. Get closer. Okay, so we got 0, 12. The center goal was D scored. They're gonna run driver's skills next. You got 1 red ball kind of hanging out over there on the other side.
All right, now we will run driver. Stop time will be the X.
Let me cue the driver skills and check the field. Okay, if you'll come and look and zoom in right here. You have a red ball preloaded. This is touching right here. I have 15 blue balls and 14 red balls placed appropriately on, this needs to be And then we're gonna start our driver skills. Are you gonna run a stop on the driver skills?
Stop time do that.
Okay, all right, we're gonna start our driver skills in 3, 2, 1. Balls everywhere.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Oh, I did not. Can we just say that we don't want to score this match and we'll reset the field?
well, we'll score the match and then we'll just reset the field. Let's just, it won't be a long part. Okay, so we got red, 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 blue, 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 red, blue, 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 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. I'm gonna count that red ball. I can go back and look at the time, so y'all can decide whether or not that counts or not later. But I'm gonna count that for red. So blue, blue, blue. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 blue balls, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red balls. Okay, that's his total score of 58. I know you're not happy with that and you're gonna run again. So I'll go ahead and let you reset the field and I'll let you look at this and there's no stop time on that one. So 5 red balls, red, 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 blue, 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 red. I counted that red, blue, because it didn't make a difference in the overall scheme of things. This is 10. This was their driver. 1, if y'all don't want to count that blue ball going in, that's fine with us. We're gonna set up for driver number 2. Okay. There's a ball under the thing. I'll do it good.
Yeah, it's kind of something every day. I got through that first row really well, man. I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
There's also a red ball right here.
Joe, will you give me the blue ball from that table right there? Actually, no, never mind. I'll get it because you're recording. Thank you, Joe.
Okay.
Oh, no, never mind. I don't need it.
One of them. Yeah, just take that. All right, 2. All right. Let me just verify. This is 15 blue balls, 5 blue balls, 5 blue balls, 5 blue balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have your preload?
Yes, we do.
Okay. All right. Let's set up for our second driver skills.
Stop time will be the X.
Resetting. And all right, beginning in 3, 2, 1. All right, we're just gonna reset. That's a 0. Actually, that is a 1 point. Yeah.
Woo!
That is 1 point. 1 blue removed ball.
Ugh.
Okay, here we go. He had 1 blue ball removed for a score of 1. Stop time of 38. Whoop, whoop. Okay. Driver skills 3 coming up at you. That needs to be. Is that where that's supposed to be? Yeah, and then the one on the other side. It's not.
It's it.
All right. Okay. Yeah. All right. Last driver skills.
All right. Stop time will be the X.
All right. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, you did. Okay, so we got blue, red, blue. Will you go show that one right there? We got. Oh, I totally forgot. Blue, red, blue, red, 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 blue, blue, blue. Okay. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 red balls. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 blue balls.
This is like 40.
Yeah, 43. All right, for a final score of 43.
Funnily enough, that gives us 70.
There we go. 43 was our final score on that one. And that's it.